once again with this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful scenery. And you guys will shortly be seeing my friend have his tires changed on the bus. It's not so nice here. The weather is gloomy. As you can see, it's still beautiful and you can still hear the birds chirping, but it's a little bit cloudy. So, having said that, keep watching and I'll provide you guys with little clips of how a tire is changed on a huge bus, on a 1982 MCI bus. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Tire off, guys. This is what it looks like, and the jack is underneath. And these lug nuts, the bolts came off with this machine right there. That is so cool. There's the jack. What's the liquid for?
It just makes it easier to pop the tire off.
Oh.
So it slides.
Yeah. Nice. Wow. Looks a little rusty. Did you check the push rod trouble?
Yeah, they're definitely good.
They are?
Yeah.
You checked it? Let me see.
How much would it be?
Let me see.
How much would it be?
Just so. Yeah, that's good. Why do they feel like they're too tight actually? No, that's good, yeah. No, that looks within normality, yeah.
Half an inch, right?
Yeah, half an inch to 3/4. That's good. Check them all, I guess. Once the tire has been.
Might as well be.
Yeah, mine as well. very different on a bus, guys. It's quite rusted through, that's for sure.
Retro old. Oh, yeah.
So the way to change them would be to change
The whole hub.
the whole hub?
Oh yeah.
That doesn't sound cheap.
Not really. I mean, it makes life easier, but when it comes down to it, it's pricey as all get out.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. The shocks look really rusty.
That doesn't matter.
Is that fine? Like really
Just the
rusty.
Because it was in Alberta, you know.
Yeah. Wow. Is that a lock there?
Pardon?
Is that a lock?
That's a valve to let the air in.
Oh, that's the valve when you fill up air.
Yes.
Right, of course. That's how it's done. Or your locks are on the lug nuts, right? You put a lock on the lug nut itself.
Yeah.
Allah. Oh my goodness. We're adding injector cleaner now. You guys will get to see an oil change done on a 1982 MCI. So if he would need a funnel. Oh, he doesn't have a funnel. Yeah, of course. This is what's going inside. It looks like urine. This is what we're putting inside. Increases the miles per gallon gas or diesel. Injector cleaner. Fuel saver. That looks like the urine of someone who has not drank any water. A funnel out of paper might be needed. Or perhaps a water bottle.
Fit in another one. 1.5 you said?
1.5, yep. This, guys, is what the bus did. It killed the grass. This is all burnt off diesel. And there are people here who practice in their band. You can hear it. pretty rugged here. And there's people that practice over there as well, and they practice the next one over and the next one. It's like a whole bunch of bands that practice here. Sounds like there's a car that's coming, and people are driving so fast on this road. Okay. There's a leak everywhere in the engine, and we cannot find out where exactly it's coming from. Could be from things being loose, but it's everywhere. Like, it's all the way in the back as well, and at the front, throughout the whole side. If it was just in one area, we would kind of have some sort of an idea, but not when it's all over. So I'm going to see an oil change for the first time, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. So this keeps engines alive. Heavy duty oil stabilizer. Okay. And then there is, so this is all oil. And I think the truck needs like 10 gallons or something like that. All of these. Oh, there's more. Oh, wow. This is all oil. I could be wrong. It's oh, that's 1 gallon. So yeah, 10 gallons. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, there's 6. That's 5, so that's 10 gallons. That is a lot. It's going to be interesting, and I think a really big pan is needed from what I understand, obviously, to take out the old oil. It's going to be quite dirty. The old oil is, it's so dark, it's ridiculous. And my friend is going for a provincial inspection on Tuesday, so I don't think he'll appreciate driving into the facility center with like smoke coming out of the bus. So yeah, gotta do the oil change. I'm like pretending I'm a mechanic here. You know what? By the time I've been driving trucks for a little while, I will probably be a mechanic of some sort. Fixing things, you know, whatever I can on my own. But it's inevitable that you don't become somewhat of a mechanic when you drive trucks. Okay, guys. So, we've got the bucket. And we have a broken pan. That does not look right. There's like 10 gallons and this small bucket. Oh, I think what's going to happen is, no, that doesn't make sense. Is the oil from that bucket going to be going in this bucket, and then he'll close off the cap and then put this one back underneath? Well, we have to wait and see. I'm just as curious as you guys are. It's otherwise really beautiful here. Once again, it's pretty rugged. The people are so nice, you know, they're just a bit more rough, but they're real, they're very genuine. And this is this workshop belongs to the guy, at least half of it. This guy's renting it. The guy that sold my friend the bus, and he's allowing my friend to fix the bus. That was part of the deal when my friend bought it, is that he would be able to stay in the shed here, and the shed is huge, to fix the bus for 2 months time. So almost there. We have the funnel. May the work begin. Isn't that the coolant? That's not the oil. The oil is down there.
That's the oil dipstick. to
Yeah,
check
that's the
oil.
dipstick, yeah.
That's to check the oil, that's to get the oil in the engine.
That's to get the new oil in?
To get the new oil in, yeah.
Ew,
This here is a spare oil tank,
Spare oil tank.
I do think. That's what he said.
I thought this was the coolant.
No,
But
that's the oil.
interesting.
But I don't know what this is. I'm not sure. He says it's an extra gallon of oil
Oh.
that he can just...
You want to dip a stick inside there and see?
Yeah, I'm going to get the light.
Yeah. You know, guys, since I became a truck driver, I'm really interested in this stuff, like engines and things like that. Never really was before. Actually, I was to an extent. I did enjoy watching how things work, but yeah, now I'm like all ears. Have to learn this stuff.
Yeah, that's oil.
Okay, so my friend just verified it's oil. So that's, I guess, a reservoir of some sort.
Double check for me.
Going to double check because I am the helper here, guys. Okay, you know what? I obviously need my glasses off. Yeah. Looks like oil. Smells like oil. Yep, looks like oil, smells like oil. It must be oil.
So where's the coolant?
Oh, the coolant was, he showed it to us. I think it was just through a looking
He
type
put,
of a,
he put diesel into the coolant. How did he do
yeah, I remember. The guy who did that, guys, is the gentleman who's renting the shed. The guy who sold this bus to my friend put coolant in the diesel tank, or
No, diesel in the coolant.
he put diesel in the coolant.
But I don't know where the coolant is.
And this guy calls himself a heavy duty mechanic.
Where's the coolant?
Okay. Coolant is right there. Why would it be up there?
I don't know.
That does not make any sense. Okay, what's this here?
It's air.
What?
It's air.
So you build air from there? Like, I mean, you can use a compressor to put air in?
No, use a compressor down here to let air in.
Okay. So is this to let it out or is
Just like it.
okay.
Maybe it's water.
Yeah, this is the one that you use, exactly.
Maybe it's water right there. There's the coolant.
Didn't you just find the coolant up there?
That's
Wasn't that it?
probably. I just don't know what it does up there.
Let's go on, guys. You can come with me on the other side. We can check together. No, doesn't look like it anywhere from here.
So here's your job.
What's the idea with that small pan? Okay.
To go underneath.
Yep, you explain to me what I need to do.
And I'm
I'm helping, guys.
going to fill this little bucket.
This little bucket, guys.
Then I'm going to give it to you, and you have to put it in this transfer
Oh,
bucket.
right. Okay. And you're going to close off the cap underneath when it's coming out? How do you stop it
No, I
from
have a
flowing?
faucet. I have a faucet. It's very
Oh, you open it and close it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
It's not not like a car where the whole
Okay.
thing brushes out.
Yep. Okay.
I assume.
All right.
Plus we have a funnel.
We have a funnel, guys. Woohoo!
Let me go and see.
Okay.
See what I find down there. There it goes.
Okay, I'm going to change my tripod and I'll be right back, guys.
Should we go behind?
Okay, my friend is underneath. Hey, let me see if I can. Oh, he's right there. Let's see if I can get the camera inside. Oh, look at the hair of this bus. Like, ooh, you could almost brush it. Okay. I can't exactly see anything. The hair's in the way. Okay, what was the diagnosis? Is it good or bad? Oh, look, guys, I have a mechanic's hand.
The diagnosis is it's weird.
The diagnosis is weird? It always is.
It makes no sense.
It makes no sense, guys. According to my friend, it makes no sense. We're doing our own oil change and it makes no sense. What doesn't make sense?
That faucet
Why?
doesn't have a valve.
Oh, it doesn't have a valve. Oh,
I don't, at least I can't see it. But it's right in the middle between here. So you could literally put the oil pan there. Like this.
oh. This is going to be very interesting.
You could put the oil pan there. But I don't know how to open it.
And guys, I'm sorry about the wind. I'm purchasing one of those fluffy things for my microphone. If you hear excess wind. Oil pan is underneath. Okay, that oil pan is good for like a smart car
I don't know how to do this.
or a motorcycle. We're gonna get this done, guys, no matter how long it takes. We're back at it, guys. Gotta get this done this evening. In the meantime, my friend spray painted the wheels there. They look so nice. What a difference little spray painting makes. And now we're finally going to attempt for like the 100th time to change the oil. So what's going to happen is the bucket, my friend will be giving me that small little puny bucket to dump into this bucket. And yeah, the archaic old-fashioned way. At some point I will have to put the camera down. Let's see how this goes. Ah. Oh, problems. Yeah, we are a little bit apprehensive about opening it up. Not that it continues to liquefy down. The bucket is not big enough, so if it starts pouring and we cannot stop it, then that would be a bit of an issue, I guess.
And then we have 10 gallons of old oil.
And then we have 10 gallons of old oil, that's right. Mm-hmm. Oh, and you guys might not even be able to see this because I just received a message from my phone that the battery's low. So please disregard if it happens to cut off, you know, at the juiciest part of this oil change. Yikes. If you guys don't already know, I just updated my chocolate blog. I put a glossary index under the more section of my blog. You can go and check it out. I'll leave a link below. And my blog's name, for all of you guys who don't know already, is chocoliciouslydelightful.com. So yeah, if you want to educate yourself a little bit about some ingredients that you might see in chocolates and what each one means and whether you should consume it or not, just go and read. The glossary is so far it's about 51 pages long, and it's alphabetical, so it's easy to maneuver. You would be really surprised what's in your chocolate. Just would like to educate you guys, and so you can make your decision at the end what you would like to consume. Some people are eating chocolates 3 or 4 times a week on a very regular basis, and if you keep eating that junk, you know, eventually it causes toxicity in your body, and toxicity and inflammation leads to cancer. That's exactly right. Cancer. Here goes something or nothing.
I'm thrilled. Okay, please.
Oh, we have another problem. Oh, goody.
Okay, please.
My friend says he's thrilled, and this is a sarcastic thrill. So, I don't know what happened now. All I know is that I see oil on this tool here. That cannot be anything good. What's going on, my dear friend? The pause is suspenseful. The long pause. Okay, I need to help now. The bucket. Oh, I see oil in my friend's hands. That means there's something happening.
How much oil is in the bucket?
Oh, like 1/4.
Okay, empty it.
Okay, empty it. I will have to put my camera down on the tripod here, guys. Okay, let me just put it down like that. Okay, now it's set up so that it films. Okay. Some oil, and we pour it here.
1/4 you say that was? Okay. Unfortunately I can't see how much I'm getting out. If you know what I mean.
Yep.
So
This is our way of doing an oil change on a 1982 MCI bus.
okay. Ooh, that's fuller.
It's fuller. Okay. And it over.
How full is this?
Okay, give it to me. Oh, it is about a little bit under half. Or maybe it is
under half?
Yeah.
Can that bucket even hold much more?
Yeah, it can hold a little bit more.
It feels like it falls apart.
But it feels, you know what, actually no, it cannot, because there's a rip. That's as much as it gets. There's actually rips on the sides, so
Okay.
you're just going to spill the oil. There you go.
That's how we do it then.
Okay. Does it close the little tap?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's how it's done, guys. Okay. I guess you get the idea for the rest.